Hello everybody, so today in this video I'm going to be unboxing this, which I am so excited about. My dog has just seen the box. She's sitting on my bed over there. She's just seen the box and she automatically assumes any box is for her. So yeah, she's showing a lot of interest. But yes, this, I got a notification from YouTube a while ago asking me if I wanted to join this. I don't even know what it is. I think it was called High Fives for You or something like that. I honestly can't remember what it was called, and it was just inviting some YouTubers to join up to it, and there was a thing on there to redeem one of these, and I never thought that it was going to arrive. I didn't actually know if it was properly YouTube or not, but I did some searching around and it seems like it was a thing in America for a while, but now it's kind of coming over here. So I joined up. They give you like a passcode so that it's like invite only, which is insane when you think about like how kind of inactive I have been on YouTube the past few years, but I still got invited and I could still redeem one of these. Now, I never thought it was going to arrive because there was only 1,000 of them. I don't know how many people they've like invited to be part of this, so yeah, I was like, it's not going to arrive. And then I got a notification from Royal Mail saying this thing from something that I never heard of is going to be delivered today, and I opened up the tiniest little bit of it and saw that, and I was like, I know what this is. So I closed it up and I haven't opened up the rest of it. The rest of it is sealed because I wanted to open it on video, I guess. The box, however, did arrive absolutely battered, so if this is damaged in any way, Royal Mail, you got some answering to do. So I'm gonna do that. And this is the box. Oh my god, it's like the play button that I will never receive. Okay, so there's the thing that comes with it. Lights, camera, glow. You've managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube Neon. Special thank you from your friends at YouTube for brightening the world with your creativity. I'm not creative, but thank you, YouTube. We love to see your new sign in action. Tag us, blah, 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 so we can check it out. So, yeah. So, let's get the actual thing out. Oh, wow, this is actually better quality than I was expecting. It's like a proper like, heavy duty box. It just has YouTube, LED neon sign. And there's how to turn it on. UK plug. Oh, so it's actually got a plug. Right, I knew what it was, so I have purposefully brought batteries because I was like, it's going to be battery powered. There's no way that it's going to have a plug. This has a plug, so why have I brought batteries? So, let's open it up, I guess. I'm actually really excited now. This is pretty cool. This is like, I think this is the second thing I've ever received from YouTube. The first thing was like a magazine cover thing. I can't really remember what it was, but it was a long time ago. Okay. Happy fun. Oh, sorry, it says have fun, not happy fun. Jesus Christ. So yeah, it's got all of the details on there. YouTube. Oh my god. Okay, are we ready to see the actual thing? I can see the outline. I'm gonna let you look at it first. Is it good? Does it look cool? Oh my god. That is cool. Wow. Let me take out the... Oh, it's like a proper neon sign as well. That's so cute. Okay. Okay. So we've got another YouTube thing here. And then this base and the plug, which I never expected it to have a plug. Wow, let me actually look at that first because I've just chucked it in here and not even looked at it. So YouTube, the power button is located on the stand. Press and hold it to adjust brightness. Oh, alright, let's read it. It might be something important. Let's just press the button. So here we have this part of the stand. No, not the part of the stand. Yeah. I'm too excited. I don't know what's going off. Let me put that down. Because I can't get this base bit out. Okay, so we've got the UK plug. And then we have the base. So I think we just... Oh, that's easy. So that's that. And then let me locate a plug underneath my desk and I'm going to plug it in. Okay, I'm back from my little adventure underneath the desk. And we're going to plug it in. I'm ready to do the thing I've been waiting to do. Press the button. Oh my god! That is so cool. Like, that is incredible. Oh my god! I got a little new YouTube neon sign. Do the brightness. Okay. So you can make it a lot more dim. That's cool. I love this. I mean, we can make it like that. All the way down to that. So that's pretty cool. I'm so thrilled. I love this. So yeah. Thank you to YouTube for my wonderful neon sign. I love it. I'm so thrilled. It's like so much better than I ever expected it to be. So yeah, thank you YouTube. And see you later to everyone else. Adios.